Hello everybody and welcome to How to Start an Amazon Store on a Tight Budget. My name's Theo MacArthur and I've been selling on Amazon since the spring of 2013. Now I'd like to let you know what to expect in this course. This is a very comprehensive and in-depth course. The majority of the lectures are delivered in over-the-shoulder format. And most of the lectures have at least one accompanying handout. So make sure that you do download all the resources that are available for each lecture. Because this is such a comprehensive course, the handouts will allow you to reference back to any lecture very quickly and also to find out by looking at the handouts the main points of each lecture. So that's going to help you to keep track of things and quickly look back and find a lecture that you want to watch again when you have a particular question that you need answering. Now the course is divided up into a foundation phase, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, advanced strategies and important lessons and resources. If you want to put the methods in this course into practice and succeed with them, every part of the course is going to be vital. So I encourage you not to skip anything and not to skip ahead. My recommendation is to go through the entire course one time and then go back to the beginning and start implementing the lessons. So start putting things into practice after you've completely been through the whole course one time. The reason for that is that it really helps to have a bird's eye view of where you are going. So by completing the course and going through all the lectures, you'll be able to make better decisions because you will know exactly where it is that you are going to be ending up. Now, even though the lectures do have handouts, I also recommend that while you are watching the lectures that you have a text file open, so a notepad or similar open on your device to take notes for anything that's very important as you are watching the lectures. And the reason for this is that we learn a lot faster if we are writing things as well as just looking at them. So the mere action of taking notes is going to help to get into your head these important points. All right, let's move on and I'll see you in the next lecture.